Hi, my name is Jim CARR. I'm the owner and president of CARR Machine Tool. We are a CNC precision machine shop here in suburban Chicago. I'm also the co-host of the successful manufacturing podcast, Making Chips. We knew we needed to make a change, and the newer generation, my son Ryan, said, Dad, I think that we're a little antiquated in our ERP system. We need something to house all this information, a huge database that everyone is familiar with, that everyone is touching on a daily, minute, real-time basis. And ProShop is just the ticket for that. What's great about ProShop is it's a nearly paperless system. From the minute that job is entered into the system, all the prints, all the CAD files are right there. They're already looking at the prints on the shop floor before we've even ordered the material. Another great element about ProShop is now we're using it in our sales pitch to new prospective clients. When they find out that we can get that granular with their estimates, that they know that we're tracking all the time in the shop, we can show them all the part setups, all the G-code programs, every single setup and element of that setup and the program are there integrated into the system. Once they see that and they know that we are digging that deep into their job, nearly every single time I show them the ProShop system, I can convert them to a customer. I've seen a huge improvement and speed in the way that I can get estimates out back to my customers. I would say we are doing estimates 300% faster than we were doing before. Just this year in 2019, our sales have tripled. There is no way we could have navigated through this increased business in 2019 without ProShop. As I progressed and I learned how to navigate through the software, every single day that I used it, I loved it more and more. It thinks like a machine shop floor person. We know exactly where all of our parts are in the shop right now. We know what stages they're in. I truly believe that we have a competitive advantage over other machine shops here in the Chicagoland area or in the entire country for that matter.